Welcome back to Lexus Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus certified pre-owned units. It is a 2018 NX 300 executive package in the caviar finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car with a clean accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include premium triple beam LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, automatic high beam, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, center locking differential, power folding rear seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power folding side mirrors, driver's seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, also equipped with a pre-collision, a 10.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, a 10-speaker Lexus premium audio system, drive mode select, electronic parking brake, remote touchpad, sunroof, power folding rear seats, black interior, great shape, rear heated seats, and of course comes with a built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.